Hello again, guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you for all my subscribers, and here's another tutorial for today. Okay, I will be showing you how to crochet a flower. Okay, so like a flower garden or something like that. Okay, and I will be using my 4 millimeter hook, crochet hook, and my white. I will be using different color for this one, so I will be starting with white acrylic yarn. Okay, to start I will be making my slip knot, and I will be chaining 30 plus 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so I will come back when I got my 31 chain. Okay, so I have done my 31 chain. Okay, so now we are going to single crochet. Okay, so in the next chain, single crochet and single crochet in every chain until we finish the row. Okay, and we will be doing 2 single crochet rows. Okay, so after I finish this I will be doing one more. Okay, so finish that, guys, and I will come back. Okay, so if you finish here and then chain one, okay, and then one more row, so 2 rows of single crochet, and I'll come back and I'll show you what to do next. Okay, guys, so I am here into my second row, okay, of single crochet, and this is our last chain. Okay, and before we finish that I'm going to change my color, okay, into green. Okay, and I'm going to chain one and then turn my work, and then into the first chain, okay, I'm going to do a single crochet and chain 3. Okay, so after that we are going to, in the second chain, in the next chain, we are going to do a V-stitch. So double crochet, chain 1, and double crochet into the same stitch. As you can see, that is our V-stitch, and skip 2. So 1, 2, and the third, make our double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, another V stitch. So as you can see, then skip 2, and the third, another V stitch, double crochet, chain 1, and double crochet. Okay, so that is how it looks like at the moment. Okay, so continue that, guys, until you get to the end, and I will come back and show you what to do next. Okay, guys, so here I am into my last, so I have chain 1 and into the same stitch to finish our V stitch, and a double crochet into the last stitch. Okay, so from here, okay, before we finish it, okay, I'm going to change color. Okay, I'm going to change color in yellow. Okay, and chain 1, turn our work, okay, chain 3, and from here we are going to do our puff stitch. Okay, so it's a double crochet, okay, and finish. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And after that, we are going to pull through all loops. Chain 2. Okay, and we are going to be working into our V-stitch again, okay, for a puff double crochet. 2, 3, 4, 5, and pull through all the loops. Chain 2 and do the same. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so we have 2, 4, 6 loops. Okay, and yarn over and then pull through all 6 loops. Okay, so as you can see, okay, this is how it looks like. Looks like a flower. Okay, so continue that, guys. Continue that until you got here, and I will show you what to do next. Okay, guys, so I am here into my last flower puff stitch. Okay, and I'm just going to do a double crochet. Okay, so from here we are going to pull up our white, okay, yarn, and then chain 1. Okay, and then from here we are going to do a single crochet. Okay, 2 rows. Okay, so 1 there, and then into the puff is 1 double crochet, and into this space 2 double crochet, and on top of the petals, okay, 1 single crochet. Sorry guys, we are working single crochet. Okay, and then into here we have 2 single crochet, and on top of the flower or the petals or the flower is 1 single crochet, into the space 2 single crochet. Okay, so we will be working this single crochet, okay, until to the end of the row, and then we are going to chain 1 and then 1 more rows, and then I'll come back and show you what to do next. Okay guys, so I have my second row of white of single crochet, and this is my last stitch. Okay, and before I finish that, I'll drop that white and I will pull up my green. Okay, so as the same here. Okay, so we have white and then green and then yellow again. So from here, chain 1 and then turn our work. Okay, and single crochet into the first stitch, and we are going to chain 3. Okay, and into the next stitch we are going to make our V stitch, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, and skip 2, and the third we are going to double crochet, chain 1, and double crochet. Okay, skip 2, and the third V stitch. Okay, so continue that guys, and when I got to the end, okay, so continue that, and when I got to the end, I will show you, okay, to do this last and what to do next, as we are just going to make this flower puff stitch again, guys. So I am here into my last V stitch, and my last stitch will be just a double crochet. And before I finish that, I'm going to change my color. Insert that and then chain one, okay, turn our work and single crochet and then chain 3. Okay, so after that we are going to make our puff stitch and finish, double crochet and finish, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, so we have 2, 4, 6. Okay, yarn over and then pull through all 6. Okay, then chain 2. Okay, we're going to jump into the next V stitch and work our 5 double crochet and finish, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, then chain 2, and it's the same as the other rows of making the puff stitch. Okay, and pull through. Okay, so that is how I made my flower patch, okay, or puff stitch flowers. Okay, so thank you very much, guys, and if you do like this video, please like, share, and if you want, you can hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you can notified every time I will post a new video. Okay, and thank you very much, guys, for your support. And just for the last time, okay, every time you will do your flower, okay, just make sure that you are in the right side. So we need this wrong side of the puff stitch in front. Okay, either way I think is okay, but with mine I prefer this is like flower to me. Okay, so thank you very much, guys. That's all for today, and thank you, guys, and until to the next video. Bye.